If you can get 10 out of 10 to this DMV question, you are a genius. What should you do if your car breaks down on the highway? Use hazard lights. How can you pass a slower car on a two-lane road? Use the oncoming lane. What's key for driving through curves? Slow before the curve. At a stop sign, where do you look first? Left, then right. How do you maintain a safe gap around your car? Keep space on all sides. When should you allow extra space when stopping? On an incline, what should you do with your speed when turning? Slow down. How should you drive on slippery roads? Slow in turns. How should you adjust following distance on slick roads? Increase it. Where do roads freeze faster? In the shade,